An astonishing fact to ponder upon. World War I, one of the most devastating global conflicts in human history, was sparked off by a single bullet. The assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria on June 28, 1914, set in motion events that would culminate in the death of over 17 million people. It's crucial to understand the world stage as it was at the turn of the 20th century. A tangled web of alliances, imperial ambitions, and nationalistic fervor had already created a powder keg waiting to be lit in Europe. The assassination of the Archduke in Sarajevo was the spark that ignited this volatile situation. Following the murder of Franz Ferdinand, Austria-Hungary, with the backing of Germany, declared war on Serbia on July 28, 1914. Russia, an ally of Serbia, mobilized its army in response, leading Germany to declare war on Russia. France, allied with Russia, found itself at war with Germany and, by extension, Austria-Hungary. When Germany invaded neutral Belgium to strike at France, Britain declared war on Germany. Suddenly, the whole of Europe was embroiled in a conflict that would soon spread to the rest of the world. The war dragged on for 4 long years, marked by horrifying trench warfare, the first use of chemical weapons, and staggering loss of life. The battlefields of the Western Front, where German forces clashed with the Allies, became a symbol of the war's futility and senseless slaughter. In 1917, the tide of war began to turn. The United States, initially neutral, joined the Allies following Germany's unrestricted submarine warfare policy, which led to American civilian casualties. Russia, rocked by the Bolshevik Revolution, exited the war, signing the Treaty of Brest-Litovsk with the Central Powers. The conclusion of World War I came with the signing of the Treaty of Versailles on June 28, 1919. The treaty held Germany responsible for the war and imposed heavy penalties and reparations, setting the stage for future conflicts. So, to sum up, World War I was a complex conflict triggered by a single assassination and fueled by a web of alliances, imperial ambitions, and nationalistic fervor. It lasted 4 years and involved many of the world's major powers. The war was marked by trench warfare, the use of chemical weapons, and a staggering loss of life. The United States' entry in 1917 marked a turning point in the war. The Treaty of Versailles, which ended the war, sowed the seeds for future global conflicts. World War I was a testament to the destructive potential of human conflict, a grim reminder that peace is often a fragile and tenuous thing. It is a chapter of our history that we must remember, for in its lessons lie the keys to preventing such tragedies in the future.